Morning, Neurolab reporting from Rivington Pike on a wet and cold Sunday morning. I just thought I'd take the camera out and get the noise of the bike warmed up and just show you what one of my favourite roads looks like. Anyway, here we are on top of the wild and windy moors, but no Heathcliff. Here's the beast. You can see there's a nice tight bend at the bottom of this fast road. The road goes all the way down there to Rivington Barn, which is a bit of a biker's hangout, all the way sort of down past the farm in the distance. This was all about 7 feet deep in snow a couple of weeks back, so incredible snow drifts up here. Very fast and bloody dangerous road. Anyway, back to the text. Clutch in. That's the clutch out again. Woody woodpecker seems to have quietened down though. Alright, see you later.